My name is Mireya Ramirez. I am from a small little town of Ajo, Arizona, and I graduated with a Bachelor's of Arts in Government with an emphasis in Public Administration. What drew me to this degree was the idea of helping people. I realized how important local government is and how much of an impact that can make. The Marvin Andrews and Jane Morris Fellowship is a 2-year program where ASU will completely cover the cost of obtaining your MPA, which is my Master's of Public Administration. During that time, they place you in a city that they are working closely with, and the city will be able to have you as a management intern for 2 years while you are going to classes and gaining networking experience.
The Marvin Andrews Fellows are really just embraced by the whole local government management community, which is really awesome because once you have that on your resume, people know that you've worked hard to get there, they know what kind of training you've had, and they know that you're going to be qualified for whatever you choose to do.
What inspired me to pursue the fellowship was the idea of being able to get my MPA for free while also being able to work within the field that I want to go into before getting my degree.
I had Mireya as a student when she was a freshman. One of the great things about teaching here at GCU is I teach multiple courses, and I get students along their whole journey, so freshman through senior. I watched her kind of blossom and not necessarily know what kind of career path she wanted to all of a sudden being like, wow, I'm really interested in state and local government. Let's explore what that looks like, what do career options look like for her, and then, just helping her with opportunities that we found together.
Professor Racette was honestly the backing horse behind everything. She guided me through meeting Carrie Kent, who's the program manager. She proofread all of my personal statements, my resume, and just worked very, very closely with me throughout the entire application. The Career Center was able to help me look at my resume, and I sat down with Troy for about an hour, and he went through my entire resume, and we revamped it and reworded it to make it as best as it could be. And then on top of that, he worked with me to work through answering questions for an interview. We did a mock interview for the fellowship application, and then was just there as a support system all the way throughout.
This is the first time a GCU student has gotten this fellowship, which is really exciting. But it's also exciting because Mireya is a first-generation student. This fellowship has changed the legacy for her family to have that fellowship, to go through school, not have any debt with a Master's of Public Administration, and then also be wrapped around with a supportive profession around you is so incredible. It's really exciting to see her flourish.
I hope to bring in a lot of the work that I've done in my undergrad of helping that human flourishing aspect that GCU is known for, in providing that to communities. The research I did here started with Professor Racette getting a grant through ICMA from the Gates Foundation. So we had $10,000 to focus on economic mobility within the city of Phoenix. We chose 2 subdivisions, which was Alhambra and Maryville, and focused on food access. So we mapped food deserts throughout these 2 communities and found a few different challenges that these communities are facing. We implemented a pilot study that is currently ongoing to provide about 50 families with free Kroger Boost memberships for about a year. And then on top of that, we're also building a community garden within the Maryville and Alhambra areas. Opportunities like this research are so important. With just getting the fellowship, this was definitely one standing point in my application, but also just being able to have this experience of researching and finding data and finding solutions, and then presenting it to people who can actually make a change. It was just overall the best experience I could have had for my senior year.